Good afternoon. I'm Greg Rieker. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I'm the principal investigator of the Precision Laser Diagnostics Laboratory. Our goal in this laboratory is to develop laser technologies to transform and improve our future. I know that tagline is broad, and that's because the number of different research areas that we operate in is just as broad. It's all tied together by our interest in using lasers to develop sensors and sensor networks in all of these different environments. We're a highly collaborative laboratory, from working with NIST, where the original frequency comb lasers that is our tool of choice were developed and garnered the Nobel Prize. We work with Air Force research laboratories to take these lasers and operate them in hypersonic propulsion systems to understand what's happening in these engines in real time as they're operating on the ground. We've spun out a company called Longpath Technologies that's taking these very same laser systems down to oil and gas fields, sending the laser light over several mile distances in order to sweep out and find, almost like a methane radar, where methane leaks are happening in oil and gas infrastructure so that people can fix the big leaks fast. We have work with Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where we've built optical cells in our lab that mimic the conditions on the surface of Venus and distant exoplanets, so that we can look at how laser light and other types of light are influenced by the conditions on these planets, so that we can eventually understand with the Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescopes what's happening on the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. We have a 7-meter long tilting wind tunnel that allows us to burn things inside of the wind tunnel and use our optical diagnostics to probe what's happening with wildfire spread and create benchmark experiments for other professors like Peter Hamilton's computational group to be able to build prediction tools for wildfire spread. And we're working with NIST and the physics department here at University of Colorado to build the future backbone for quantum sensor networks that will detect gravity waves that will be used to search for dark matter and other interesting things. What we really are looking for in our laboratory is students that are interested in lasers and optics, that are interested in measurements, measurement science, are interested in these different environments in which we operate. We are taking on students this coming year, so I'm very interested to hear from you. No experience in any of these fields is necessary, just an interest in those fields, and we'll take it from there. So I'm excited to talk to you. I'm excited that you're giving University of Colorado a look. I do hope you'll come here, and please reach out at greg.rieker@colorado.edu, which is shown on this slide, if you'd like to talk further. Thank you.